Hello everybody, it is Bot Danny here back with another tutorial vid. Today is going to be a much shorter one because all I'm doing is just making an updated video for the animation tutorial. What I mean by that is I'm just going to show you one more thing, and that is how to add a dance to your screen effects, your particle systems, all that, your audio source, to your new animation so that your avatar can actually dance to it as well. So to do this, you're going to duplicate your original avatar by hitting Control D. Once you have that done, you can remove the VRChat avatar descriptor, the pipeline manager, and if you have it, the VRChat avatar controller. Once you're done with that, you're going to click on the culling mode, and you're going to choose Always Animate. Once that's done, you can delete the animation we have in the duplicated version, and then you can drag it into the animation in our original avatar. Now you have the avatar here, and what you're going to do is create a separate controller for it. So you're going to go to Create, Animator Controller, Dance. And you can just throw that here into your duplicated avatar that's inside your original. Now once you have that, you're going to throw in a dance animation of your choice. For this tutorial, I will be using Billy Bounce, very common one. I'm now going to throw that on top of the duplicated avatar that's in the original. Do not throw it on the original, that will break everything. Now you have the dance animation and animator controller on the duplicate. Once you've completed that, you're going to duplicate your original avatar once more, and you're going to make another animator controller. I'm going to call this, let's just say, Finish Dancing. Actually, I'm just going to say Finish Dance. And you're going to drag that onto the duplicated avatar. Once that's done, you're going to go to the animation tab. You're going to create a new animation. I'm just going to call this Work. And then I'm going to hit the record button, and I'm going to hide and show. And then once again, double click on the 1 millisecond mark to show it again. And you're going to see this second avatar duplicate here just sort of sunken in the floor. Just ignore that. That won't affect your stuff in any way at all. Now, once you have these two done, you're going to go to Body 2, Hide, Body 1. Oh, and don't forget to double click to duplicate the keyframe 1 millisecond ahead. You don't have to do it in the gray bar for the others. You can just do it on the line ahead of it. So then you're going to go to Body 1, hide it, double click to make the same keyframe. And then you're going to make sure there's nothing left. As you can see, I have a scythe with particles on it that are still showing. So I'm going to go find that scythe in my armature of the duplicate, which should be attached to my chest. So I'm going to find the scythe, and it looks like it has its own animator. So all we have to do is remove that, go back to the duplicate avatar, hit record again, go to the scythe, and hide it. And then once again, double click the second line to duplicate. Once that is all done, you are going to stop recording, make sure it's all right, make sure the second avatar you saw completely disappeared, nothing's left, no glasses, no extra bodies, stuff like that. If they have animators on top of them, the objects, for example, make sure those all disappear too. So once that's all done, you are going to delete the duplicated avatar entirely. And then you're going to hide your animation 1 in the original. Once that's all done, you're going to go back to the original, put the new animation we created in thumbs up. That's where I usually like to put it, in our custom override. And we named it, I believe we named the animation work. And now we have it in our thumbs up. Now all we do is just test it to make sure it works. We have it hidden in the original. So I'm going to hit play. And as you can see, our avatar is just standing there. And then if I hit the thumbs up gesture, we have a dance on top of screen shaders. And right now the shaders I'm using are just garbage because I didn't bother editing them. And this happens sometimes where it's going to stop. What I did here incorrectly is I forgot to actually loop the dance. So we're going to go back to where we had the dance animation, which was right over here. And we're going to make sure to hit loop time. This will make it so it keeps going over and over again. So that's click on the animation, go to the very top, hit loop time. Once that's all done, we can test it once more just to make sure that everything works. And as you can see, once I hit Shift F8, your avatar now dances to the screen effects without a duplicate behind it, and everything goes smoothly. And once again, it will repeat the dance. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed. It was a bit of a shorter one, but I just wanted to add on to my previous one because some people wanted to know how to add dances. Thanks for watching. I'm Danny. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more. And peace.